feel like we've been fooled.
Ice cream break.
Hi, welcome back. We're Abby and Taylor, a travel-loving couple with a passion for adventure.
After years of dreaming about hitting the road, we finally decided to take the leap and convert our own van.
Despite having no experience in DIY.
In this video series, we'll be documenting our journey as we turn a basic van into our very own off-grid home on wheels.
From the initial planning stages to the final reveal, we'll be sharing every step of the process with you, including the challenges we face and the solutions we find.
We'll also keep you up to date with the cost as we go along.
Don't forget to subscribe and join us in this amazing adventure. We went for a H2 L3 Peugeot Boxer. It's got a lot more width than many other vans such as Sprinters and Crafters, which means we can sleep sideways. We started with attempting to remove the bulkhead. Yeah. How do you work this?
Got the right size?
I don't know. No.
So what size is it? To
It's
remove
a
the
10.
bulkhead, you're going to need a size 10 socket and a size 13 T-piece.
Is this right? Yeah. Oh, this can't be right. This is quite difficult.
Because you're not even doing it.
Am I not? Wait, oh, I know. Hold on. Lefty-loosey. Right, righty. Oh, wow. Oh, I get it now. Yeah, but I just realised I've still got my stamp from last night on my hand.
Durham Brown?
Yeah. Oh, whoa.
Yeah, don't fall out the door.
After ratcheting, we went round with a drill to save time.
All of them.
It's not going to fall. Is it?
No. Yeah, I'm going to put 13 on and see if we can get that middle bolt there.
Is it a different size?
Yeah. There's a rivet on each side of the bulkhead which you're either going to have to drill through to get off or, like us, grind it. And the 13's got it.
What are you doing? Next, we remove the ply from the walls and floor.
While Abby zipped through her side of the van, I struggled on with the drill. Like any bad workman, I'm blaming the tools.
After this one. Yeah.
Take it outside, won't
Ew. What? Careful of that.
We've got a bit of rust.
Is it bad?
It's not bad, it's
Careful of
fixable.
that.
What?
Bit ladybird.
Alright.
Got a bit of rust because they screwed the wood stuff, I think it's called ply, into the, I don't know, whatever that's called.
The brother saved the day with his angle grinder for the rest of the bulkhead. Yeah. Probably not good for your back.
I'm young, it's fine.
Is this a good omen or a bad omen?
Oh, Taylor. Oh my god. Is it going to ping me in the eye?
Shouldn't do.
Will it or not?
What?
I'm scared. It's probably pretty obvious that we don't have any DIY experience because it took about half an hour just to get this one screw out.
Need that just to get under the screw.
Where is the screw? I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, that is gross. That is absolutely gross. Every single tool you're using, you're lubing it up first. That says a lot about your DIY. Right now. That's ridiculous.
Why is it ridiculous?
I don't think you're meant to have to do that.
No, I don't think you are. Let's get there. Go. Working. No, we're not getting in there. 500 time lucky. Thanks, Black Cat.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, there's another one.
I think I need my glasses on. I did not see that.
That's got to be the last one.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah, I think it is.
We're in.
Oh, it's like a day at the beach.
Oh, bet you that's real silver.
Shut up. Oh, there's a big spider. There's a big spider. There's a big spider. Oh, I don't know where it went. I don't know where it went. Oh my god, there's dust in my eyes. I didn't like that.
No spider.
Oh, there was. I'm sorry, it moved.
No, it was just a bit
it might have just been a bit of rubbish. No, I've just seen one at the corner of my eye. I'm sure I have. Am I tripping?
Where?
Oh no, it's rubbish. Why did you panic then?
Because I saw the same thing, like landed over there.
Yeah. That is absolutely rotten.
Yeah.
I've not seen one like this of you.
No, that's bogging.
And we've watched 9 months worth of Van Pelt, haven't we?
Ice cream break.
They're a different breed of the man. Ice cream man, aren't they?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Mind your butt. Your big butt.
No spiders.
Cool. Oh, do I need to help? Oh wait, where am I sweeping this to? I don't want to sweep up the floor. It's not good.
Yeah, we'll sweep it at the end.
And then...
Get a bag.
Oh.
Yeah.
It smells.
Yeah, will do. Describe the smell.
Day 1 done.
Show them the fan.
How do
Just turn around.
Oh. We just took that step off. And then there you go.
We're gonna scrub it all tomorrow.
Yay. Have you? Oh. Am I still recording?
Yeah.
You need flash. You need some scrubbing brushes. You need a bucket full of water to put the flash in with the water. You need a sponge scrubber. And then probably like blue roll or kitchen roll, but we just have poo roll. Poo roll. Toilet roll. I was going to say shit roll. That's it.
What's the sonic scrubber for?
Corners and edges and things. Oh, Hoover.
Say it from the start.
Made a Hoover too.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Sonic scrubber from the start. Sonic
Sonic
scrubber,
scrubber
is
from the start is for... What?
Sonic scrubber is for.
Oh, the Sonic scrubber is for getting in these little nooks and crannies and on the floors and stuff.
Do it again.
Oh.
Sorry.
The Sonic scrubber is for getting on these little nooks and crannies and scrubbing the corners of the floor.
And we need a Hoover.
I made a Hoover. I'm not even halfway through the clean and look at the manklets in the bucket. down there with you.
May as well get the bits of wall with you, mate.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up
Subscribe.
and click the bell for updates. We've got a few pre-recorded videos, but since we've had some issues with the van,
Due to this, we can't guarantee a video every week, but we will try to get them out as often as we can.
if you'd like real-time updates, then we suggest heading to our Instagram. Welcome.
Hi, welcome back. It's day 2 and we're going to clean the floor. So we didn't get it down to it yesterday and I'm just shit.
Where are you looking?
So I'm just stood in the background like a creeper.
Come on, close, man. What are we saying?
I thought you were talking, you said you were doing it.
I don't know where to put this. Help.
What?
I don't know where to put this.
Put what?
This.
Put up in the top
But
corner.
it can't see anything.
You adjust it. Yeah.
Video on.
You put it up there. Right. And then tilt. It's not funny. Just scrape your head off that.
Are you ready? Tell me when.
Record now.
You ready?